How to make a parametric modular kitchen casework in Revit. Part 23, tall unit, 3 doors with oven. Let's start. Duplicate tall unit 4 doors from our previous tutorial. Copy, paste, and rename the file tall unit 3 doors oven. Okay, open the file, go to 3D. Okay, go to front elevation, select this door, delete. Okay, next, download and open the file Melee Oven. See the description below for the link. Load. Make sure you check shared so you can schedule the component. Select tall unit 3 doors oven. Okay, go to reference level. Okay, insert the oven, pick somewhere here, align. Select the center reference plane, select the center of the oven, lock, then go to left elevation, align, select this reference plane, select this edge of the oven. Okay, lock. Next, select this reference plane, select this edge. Okay, then lock. Okay, go to 3D view. Okay, go to family types. Let's rename the type to tall unit 3 doors 36 oven. Okay, apply. Okay, next, select the second one, the tall unit 3 doors 12 oven. Okay, apply. Okay, next, select the 24, rename to tall unit 3 doors or TU 3D 24 oven. Okay, apply, then select again the 36. Okay, soon to fit. Save the family. And load into the project. Insert, select the unit, spacebar to rotate. Then go to edit type. Let's turn off the top trim. Okay, next, select this end panel, right click, create similar. Okay, pick. Okay, then let's move this tall unit. Then go to modify, align, select the surface of the wall, select the edge, select. Okay, next, select the edge, select the edge. Okay, next, select the front surface, select the front surface. Okay, select the unit, copy, type 0.6 meter. Okay, then select the end panel, right click, create similar. Okay, space bar to rotate, then align, select the surface, select the surface, select the side surface, select the side surface. Okay, done. Thank you.